So I've had inquiries from a lot of my friends, and a lot of people generally, reaching out to me have asked for a villa that fits in the range between 2.5 to 3 CR. Now that has been a very tough point for me. You know how the prices are going right now, and you don't have villas ranging in that price range. But I found something. I found something in Sarjapura that you can also own. I have a limited inventory of 4 villas available here. Pricing is ranging between 2.5 CR to 3 CR. Now, if that's something that you're interested in, you should reach out. Just stay, let me show you the villa. Welcome to an exclusive villa community in Sompura, Sarjapur. Spread across 2.5 acres with just 35 limited additional villas, offering the perfect blend of space, privacy, and premium living. And the best part, these are ready to move in villas. So, what you see is exactly what you get. No waiting, no uncertainty. Just your dream home, ready today. Let's talk about location because that's where this project really stands out. Situated in Sompura, you get excellent access to the main road, ensuring smooth connectivity to key parts of the city. You're surrounded by top schools, daily conveniences, and social infrastructure. And with destinations like Forum Mall just a short drive away, everything you need is within easy reach. Now, as you step inside the villa, you're welcomed by a sense of openness that's hard to find. The living area is designed to impress with a stunning double height ceiling that brings in abundant natural light and creates a grand, luxurious vibe. And what makes this home even more special is your very own private garden space, perfect for morning coffee, family time, or simply unwinding in your own green corner. The layout flows seamlessly into the dining area, making it ideal for both everyday living and entertaining guests. These villas come in 3, 4, and 5 BHK configuration with sizes ranging from 2,635 to 3,250 square feet. Each bedroom is spacious, thoughtfully designed, and crafted to offer maximum comfort and privacy. The kitchen is practical, modern, and perfectly integrated into the layout, making daily living smooth and efficient. And then comes your personal escape, the private terrace. Whether it's quiet evenings or hosting under the open sky, this space adds a whole new dimension to your lifestyle. What truly sets this project apart is the value it offers. At this price point, getting a low density development, this kind of space, a private garden, double height living, and a ready to move in villa in Sarjapur is extremely rare. Plus, the project is RERA approved, ensuring complete transparency and peace of mind. No waiting, no surprises, just a premium home ready for you to move in and start living from day one. If you've been searching for a villa that offers location advantage, space, exclusivity, this is easily one of the best opportunities available today. This isn't just a home, it's your upgrade to a better lifestyle.